How to fit a height-adjustable shower tray. A correct shower tray installation can be the difference between a smoothly running and a leaking bathroom. Learn to fit a shower tray properly with easy-to-follow instructions in our step-by-step guide here, if you have made the decision to buy a new shower tray. And if you're still in the market for a shower tray, consider our latest offering, the LuxeFlo range. With its advanced features and sleek design, LuxeFlo is the ultimate resin shower tray range for your dream bathroom. In today's DIY guide, we'll walk you through the steps to install your shower tray like a pro, so you can achieve the bathroom of your dreams. Follow these steps for the adjustable shower trays. Step 1. Position the shower tray. Simply place the tray in the position you want to install it. Make sure it will fit into the space available without any clearance issues. You can now start screwing the legs into the position and adjust the height up to the desired level. There should be an adequate gap in adjusting the legs that allow waist to fit. Check the waist to see if it is lined up and fitting into it perfectly. Step 2. Connect the waist. In case you are satisfied with the overall fitting, then create the most suitable route for a waste pipe, in case it's not already in place. Once the waist is adjusted properly, you can connect the waist to the tray and attach that to the trap. Step 3. Ensure the tray is leveled. It is essential to ensure the tray is leveled perfectly. So, use the level and check it from all angles to be on the sure side. In case your tray is not leveled properly, it can cause many problems. Step 4. Fit waist and outlet pipe. Once the shower tray is leveled, you can now start working to connect the waist with the outlet pipe underneath. You will need to make sure the waist fits into the waist perfectly with no gaps or loose at any spot. To ensure proper fitting, you can pour some water into it and see if there is anything wrong with it. Step 5. Shower tray side panels fitting. You can now start fitting the glass shower tray side panel to complete the look. These are not difficult to fit. You will only need to put them in place and screw them into place. Step 6. Seal the gaps. You will need to seal the tray from all around and between the walls. It will protect against leaks. Make sure there are no gaps left around the corners, top, edge, and wall.